Hello everyone! Welcome back to Toy Time, your favorite YouTube channel. Today we're gonna start a new adventure with the Paw Patrol. Are you guys ready? Okay, so we're gonna be making a special Skye. It's gonna be a unicorn custom-made Skye, and we're gonna show you guys. So get your Play-Doh ready. So here we go. Skye is gonna get ready. Where is Skye? There she is. We're gonna start this fun adventure. So here we go, guys. First, we're gonna need red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, beige, and also white. Look, there's a difference between the beige and the white Play-Doh. Let's place them here in the back. First, the red Play-Doh. Here we go. We gotta mix it. And now, we're gonna make a little flower. It's gonna go on Skye's head. Very cool, right guys? Are you guys ready? Okay, so now let's use the pink Play-Doh. We have to mix it. And also, we're gonna use it to make Skye's outfit. So I'm going to need my ladybug scissors. We're gonna trim the edges of the Play-Doh. And here it is. Skye is gonna look so pretty wearing her pink bodysuit. Here it is. Skye, you look adorable. Now one more piece. Going to have to trim it one more time. And here we go. Alright, so now that we are ready, finish making Play-Doh bodysuit. Okay, so here is Skye. Very cute. Let's put the red flower back on her hair. And now it's time to use the orange Play-Doh. Here it is. We're going to make the orange flower for Skye's tiara. Here it is. It looks adorable. And now, as you guys can see, I'm setting to the side a few pieces of Play-Doh that we're going to use to make Skye's beautiful skirt. So here is a piece of orange. And now, let's use the yellow Play-Doh. Alright, so time to make the yellow flower that will decorate Skye's hair. Here it is. Skye, you look so pretty. Now time to use the yellow Play-Doh for a piece of the skirt. Now what color should we use next? Let's use the green Play-Doh. Let's make the flower to go on Skye's hair. Very pretty. How are you guys doing? Everybody following us? Let us know in the comment area how your unicorn Skye is coming along. Now time to make the green piece for Skye's beautiful skirt. Here it is. Let's set it to the side. And now time to use the blue Play-Doh. Let's make the blue flower to decorate Skye's hair. You squish it and you twirl it. So much fun, right guys? Alright, look at all this beautiful Play-Doh that we have. Time to get one more color for Skye's skirt. You see, it's very thin. Now we trim it with the ladybug scissors. And here we go. Now time to use the purple Play-Doh. We're doing the purple flower. All right, perfect. Now let's twirl it. Add it to the tiara. Skye, you look amazing. Wow, we're almost done using all the beautiful colors. One piece for the skirt. Here goes another one. And now time to use the beige Play-Doh. You gotta mix it. We're going to make the ears for the unicorn. So you have to squish it. Make it very flat. Don't forget it. Trim it with the scissors. And now we're gonna cut small triangles. Gotta make sure they are the same size. And now a little piece of pink for inside the ears. Very cute. Are you guys ready to put the ears on the tiara? So here we go. Wow, what do you guys think? Leave us a comment, let us know. Okay, we're almost done. But what are we missing? I will tell you right now. We're missing the horn for the unicorn. So here we go. You gotta twirl it and twist it. And that's it. All done. Here it is. Let's add it to Skye. How pretty she looks. Wow, Skye, you look so adorable. Now time to add the skirt. How are you guys doing? I hope everybody's following along on this fun video. Now the green and the red and some blue, all colors. And time to trim the skirt. Make sure it's the perfect length for Skye. And here it is. Doesn't she look adorable? But there's more. You know what we're going to add right now? Leave us a comment if you want to guess what we're adding to Skye's costume. Did you guess it? We're adding beautiful wings. She's a unicorn. She needs a beautiful pair of wings. So once again, I'm gonna trim my Play-Doh and I'm gonna cut it in the shape of wings. And here they are. They're flying all the way to Skye. 1, 2. Beautiful. What do you guys think? Do you guys like this video? Doesn't she look amazing? If you guys want to watch more videos like this, please leave us a comment and also subscribe to our channel. So now Skye is going back to her changing room. And there she is, all ready for the show. Now that she's a movie star, she's gonna play the part of a beautiful unicorn on the next fun video. I hope you guys enjoyed our video. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Subscribe.